Hello, class, and welcome to the Virtual Museum of the Billy Graham Library. I just wanted to do a quick tutorial on how you are going to use this virtual museum to learn about Billy Graham. But I want to point out several things for you to be aware of to help you navigate through the museum. So first of all, you want to notice that on your left side, as you're looking at your computer, you're going to have your table of contents where you can click on to be able to navigate throughout the museum. So anytime you want to go back or go to a specific place, you can use this left side table of contents to choose which tab you want to go under. Also at the bottom down here, you will see your page navigation. You can go back to the previous page or you can go next to the next page, and this is throughout the whole museum. So you should be able to see previous, meaning to go back to the page before it, and next, meaning going to the next page. Now I want everyone to pay attention to this little I right here. It says info. Sometimes it'll go away, but you can just move your mouse on the museum and it'll come back up. This is where you're going to pay attention to get your questions and your learning targets. Okay, so I want you to make sure that you have something to write with in your paper because you will be turning in the answers to these questions throughout the museum presentation. So on the first overview, we just have the info to welcome you and to let you know what your learning targets are. But as you go through the presentation, you will see your question. So this is your question, and this tour guide is going to give you your question for this page. Then you'll hit next, and the next page will have the next question, and you'll just scroll down to get your questions, and then you'll write it on your paper, and you can title it if you want. That says like question number 2 can be beyond the content, or however you want to do it. Now some of your pages will have a volume button, and that's because Miss Durham has something to say. So you need to press play to hear what I'm saying about this page. It will help you to answer your questions that you'll be turning into me tomorrow or whenever your due date is. Also, make sure you look in the middle bottom part of the page in between previous and next. Those are where you're going to get your photos. You want to click on it. You want to scroll through your photos. And then when you're done looking at your photos, you want to hit X to X out of it. Okay, so let's go to, I don't think that one has anything. But this page will have an I, so that's where your question is. It will also have photos. You want to click on photos. It'll bring up all the pictures Ms. Durham uploaded. You can go back and forth to look at the photos. When you're done with the photos, exit out. Then you will come over here, and this one actually has some 360 panoramic views. So let's click on that. And you can actually press play. And I did this upside down, but didn't really know how to change it, so I just wanted to give you an overview on what this may look like. So make sure you click on the little tabs in between your previous and next buttons. They will definitely allow you to see more pictures, give you more information. Pay attention to the I that has your question that you'll be answering for that page. And this volume button will also let you hear what I am telling you about this page or this specific tab. Those are all the things that I really want you to pay attention to when you're going through the museum. Of course, you can always go back and forth. You have your table of contents. It never goes away, so you can always go back. If you want to see something else, hear something again. I have a cute video of a cow here. You'll love that. So if you want to watch it over and over again, be my guest. But I do want the answers to your questions that is located in these eyes, if in the eye. that says info. If you do not see it, like for example, if it goes away, you can always click on info, the I, and it'll come right back up. Answer the question. You can number it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can title it, whatever it's titled on my computer. Either way, I need those answers. I hope that you enjoy going through this museum. I think you will really like the information that I put up about Mr. Billy Graham. But we will definitely talk about more of it in class. And now you are ready to begin.